All right, welcome back to the Healthy Headhunters. It's been about a month or two since we posted an episode, but we're excited to have you back. It's June here in Ohio, so with the World Cup going on in the States, the weather's nice. It's 80 degrees out. We wanted to bring you a meal inspired by the countries that are playing in the Cup, and that's a little bit lighter for summer. So we've got a Mediterranean Chicken Pita Bar that we're doing. We got a fresh rotisserie chicken and shredded it basically as the protein. We've got a lot of vegetables, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, lemon, parsley, red onions, all fresh ingredients. This meal is great for summer. It's light. It'll keep you full for the day, but not overly full. And we're excited to get started. All right, so for our protein today, we've got shredded rotisserie chicken. We bought a rotisserie chicken, shredded it up, and seasoned it in the pan with olive oil, a little bit of garlic, black pepper, oregano, and salt. And we just cook it for, or put it on here for about 5 to 7 minutes to saute it and get it warm for the pitas. So everything's assembled here. We've got the pitas, which we warmed in the oven at 300 degrees for about 5 minutes. We got the Mediterranean chicken bar over here with all of our toppings. Just invited the team in here for lunch. They're going to come in and start building their pitas, and we'll give you some reviews here shortly.
What's up? I'm Sammy Wainecroot, a new intern at DRI. Over here we have a little Greek-inspired bowl.
Yeah.
We have some lettuce, some chicken, banana peppers, onions, olives, tzatziki, and top it off with some feta crumble.
Looks amazing.
It is amazing. I'll tell you that. So it's super easy to make. Shout out the World Cup. USA plays later today.
Yeah.
Super easy to make. Very healthy. Definitely very good. I'd give it a solid 8-1.
Well, I still need to eat it to rate, so here we go. Yeah. Shout out Healthy Headhunters. Oh boy, I go 8-7.
8-7.
8-7, really good. You need the tzatziki in there.
100%.
Adds so much flavor. It's great. Yeah.
All right, shout out Team USA playing tonight in the World Cup. Go States, go Mexico, go Canada. Love the North American teams that are hosting. All the other countries. It's been an awesome tournament. But anyway, took a couple bites. Really good, really light meal. It's going to keep me full for the rest of the day without taking my energy down. Definitely feeling good after I already ate like one whole pita and I'm halfway through a second one. Flavors are amazing. I'm going to go 8-4.
All right, so I made a Greek salad bowl. Randy, master chef, cooked it up. Good textures, good flavors. I'll give it a 7.6. Really good, very healthy. I'll be feeling good after this. Great job, Randy.